God, it's healing so hard. You can't tell, but it is. Oh, God. I've only been doing this for like 2 seconds, and it's like already like that much. I had to run and get a video camera real fast to film this. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, is that lightning? And thunder too. Power might go out soon. I'm gonna film it with... Oh gosh, it's terrible weather. Who would want to be out in that? Thunder, lightning, even some hail and stuff. It's crazy. I don't think it's ever been this bad in Spokane. In the camera lens, it makes it look better, but really it's not as good. This is cush. This camera makes it look cush. It even got it like right here. See? That's how hard it's hailing. It goes all the way over here. Sometimes. That's crazy. So filming Skylee Kathleen Llewell. The reason I did that was because, you know, Bronze Anthony Tanner rat coaching. I exterminate the pets in your life. But, yeah, just look up r.a.t. Valentine, and she'll introduce herself a little bit, I think. And then show you guys a cool video. Jesus, it's raining like hard, like really, really hard. It's seriously great. Look, it's getting on the camera. Some of this stuff got inside. This hailing stuff. See? It's like all over now. In there. I'll probably upload this one like the day I make it. So like, if you see this, like if it's in your uploading box, that right now, it'll probably be the day that the storm is going on. And so you might want to look outside and see how it's looking out there, and then see where you live and be like, she must live far away from me. I'm sorry for her. But if there really is a storm out there, then I'm sorry for you too.
Hey guys, if you like what you just saw, then subscribe to me. Bye.